Welcome to watch today's Fresham. A 1911 house in Paris on the left bank comprising more than 10,000 square feet spread across 6 floors. The clients, a French family. The project is Toro's largest completed private home to date. These are very rare buildings, he says of the history and scale of the site, which features 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, a pool, a sprawling rooftop terrace and a garden. The result is a mix of familiar Parisian opulence, soaring high ceilings and windows, wainscoting, restored moldings, and herringbone floors, with the loucheness of the 1970s vibrating through a warm palette of amber hues, and rich, tactile materials and statement furniture in curved, organic shapes. "I like the fun of the 1970s, they knew how to party," Toro admits.